How to log into Snapchat without verification. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Snapchat. As you know, by going to setting, my Snapchat is already open, but if my Snapchat is not opening and it is sending my mobile code to my mobile, but mobile I cannot access to my mobile, so I can do a little trick that can help me log in without verification code. So for this you have to go down, you will need a verified email address for that, and you have to go down and then go up on the Gmail option and then compose option. As you compose, you have to go and write over here. You will have to write over here this kind of message in which you tell that your mobile is actually changed and the Snapchat is sending the code to your old mobile. So tell them to open your account without verification or without login verification. So this, by sending this to Snapchat and by logging in again, you can log in into your Snapchat account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.